On a cold Appalachian morning, there's nothing more important than getting a hearty, filling breakfast before going out in the cold to enjoy a beautiful frosty morning and get some work done around the homestead. As you can see, this beautiful little red hawk is out early, so that means we need to be out as well, getting some work done. What better way to get out and get started than with a sausage and fried egg drop biscuit. So I got my drop biscuits going today in the cast iron skillet. As you can see, they're getting a nice sear on the bottom. You always have to make your biscuits in a cast iron skillet. In addition to utilizing a cast iron skillet for some fresh local sausage, you can also make Dodge bread in a cast iron skillet by placing your biscuits in the pan, simply dropping them in large plops, which will create a score line to allow you to easily get your biscuits out of the skillet. Now we're going to fry an egg. The yolk is best, to me, when it is set on both sides. It is a little runny, which makes for the perfect drop biscuit. So now let's build. You simply cut your biscuit in half. Add the sausage patty. Then you want to go ahead, once your fried egg is finished frying, it has to be nice and cooked through. As you can see, the yolk is set, but it's still slightly runny. Go ahead and add that to the biscuit. Season to your preference. Place the top of the biscuit back on, and you are set for a hearty, filling breakfast. I hope you enjoy this little Southern Appalachian eats. It is always on my table as I enjoy a morning with the fireplace heating the homestead. Nice and toasty.